I think this will make assessing software quality harder because AI output can be trained on good quality code. So any individual few lines have the feeling of what you'd expect for that language. So those early warning signs of, oh, this feels like this is a Ruby program written by someone who has a background in Java or something, just as an example. It won't feel that way. It's doing that translation for you.
They think it's an illusion because all code is fundamentally bad, because all code is subjective. So if you want to find the thing you don't like, you'll find the thing you don't like, be it variable naming, be it code structure, be it method calls. If it's consistent, that's really what people tend to be talking about when they're talking about, is a code base good or stable? Is it consistent? Even models, in my experience, aren't even consistent in what they spit out. They don't make method calls the same way. They don't create functions the same way. So by default, I think they're going to kick back difficult code.
I want to take exception to the in minutes part of that premise, because assessing the quality of code, really, to James's point, can't be done in the absence of deep context, not only from within the code base itself, but within the organization where the code base came to be. Understanding why things are the way that they are really can't be separated from determining whether what they've got is the best possible solution they could have at this point.
There, to me, is not really a truth in there being like good or bad when it comes to a code base until you apply a measurement to it. And I think generally that measurement that developers apply to it is the ability to reason about that code. And what I see with vibe coding is us slowly moving away from developers being able to reason about the code to the AI models being able to reason about the code, that it's doing the correct thing and it can be extended and built upon. And I think that is going to be one of the larger shifts that we're going to see as we become more and more reliant on AI.
I think the danger comes in making snap judgments without historical and business context. A few people mentioned that. And you need that experience to be able to make a holistic quality assessment. The other thing is, I think you have to have lots of examples of pattern matching from your experience so that you can rapidly identify problems in the code. And that just comes with time and experience. And so, yeah, it can be a superpower if you're a person who's experienced at doing that type of holistic assessment and you have a lot of reps doing it, but it can be a real illusion if you're somebody without a lot of context, especially that historical business context.
Part of the challenge here is that code quality matters way less than we'd like to admit. And so I think a lot of the discussion around LLM code quality and code-based code quality overall is, I'm going to use the word misguided, but I think there's a lot more nuance to that.